Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, here we'll be working on a vehicle with a plugged up, not working heater. And we're going to show you how to forge the heater core on a vehicle. Okay, the heater, a little radiator that's behind the dash. Most of the times you have to remove the dash. This is quite complicated procedure guys, and they could charge you thousands of dollars. Now, every vehicle that we get guys at the shop, we'll be making at least 200 videos on it. So please guys, subscribe to the channel. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, subscribe and a like if the video was helpful. Now, check this thing out. Doesn't matter what vehicle you have guys, doesn't really matter. You have two hoses going to the heater core right here. Usually it will be on the firewall of the vehicle and you have two hoses. Now one is inlet, one is outlet. It really depends, but in most cases the top one is inlet, bottom one outlet. So again, it really depends. Now, how we do that now, you have to drain your coolant system guys. You have to make sure you don't have absolutely any coolant in the system. So usually on the radiator underneath you have a drain plug. When the engine is cold, drain your coolant. After you drain your coolant guys, which means that we won't have so much coolant in the system, but there is possibility that we will have some. We'll need to disconnect these two hoses. Okay, and once we disconnect the hoses, we can use a garden hose to actually flush the heater core. Most of the times this procedure will work, sometimes it will not. If you have a leaking core, then it's a bad thing, because you still have to remove the dash in most cases to remove the heater core. So stay with us and we'll show you how to do it now. Okay, so we have the thing here now, and I'm just going to go ahead and disconnect the hoses. So usually you have a clamp on the hose. Okay, pull those out. The vice grips work really good. All the parts and tools guys that we use, okay, you can find them in the description of the video below and see where we get ours from for a really good price. So please check it out. Now, those will be really stuck, so I'll try to move them a little bit with the pliers. Okay, sometimes it's not a good idea because you can break a hose or a heater core. Okay, but you can see once they start turning left and right, they'll be able to come out way easier than just trying to pull them. So let me just spread the pliers just a little bit, so I can probably reach from behind here. So you can see how stuck this hose is now. And okay, this one came loose as well. So I'll put my gloves and I'll come back and try to pull them out. Never ever do that if the car is hot, you can severely burn yourself. Also when you drain the coolant, make sure the car is cold as well. So, okay, I'll get the hoses. You can see we will leak some out, some coolant. And it looks like it's really dirty on the inside, like whitish foam coming. Okay, check it out. So, we'll show you now how we're going to flush it guys. So what we guys did, we have the garden hose here. Okay, you can see like that. I removed one of the little hoses here and connected the garden hose to it so it can get on the heater core really good. And after that, okay, let me open this one. We're going to open it all the way, the garden hose, and you can see it's going to force the heater core really good that way. Okay, let's go a little bit more. So you can see now our core is unplugged. At first it was coming out really slow, now it's coming out pretty freely. So what we'll do, we'll go both directions. We'll switch the hose now to the other side. We'll do the same thing to make sure that everything comes out. We'll do that for a few minutes, and pretty much guys, that's all. The whole procedure. Make sure that you bleed your cooling system after that really good, because every car nowadays, the modern cars, you have to bleed the cooling system so it doesn't overheat. Some require special procedures. We have so many videos about bleeding and cooling system, guys. Okay guys, so check it out now, the car. Okay, we have it heated up already. Coolant is warm, so we should have really good heat from the heater, and you can see it's climbing, guys. 125, 126, and it keeps climbing. So we're getting pretty warm air, consistent air almost from every vent. You can see we get about the same on every vent. So most likely, guys, okay, we don't have a problem with our heater anymore. This one is a little bit more, okay, but you can see all of them almost hit 130 now. It's just getting hotter and hotter. So let's see what this one is here. Okay, yep, this one is going to 130 close as well. So definitely, guys, that fixed our problem for the heater. You can see we unplugged the heater, that way we don't have to remove the dash. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to some of you. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos, and see you guys next time.